Meditation is a vital tool for anyone who wishes to grow spiritually. It is said to have several benefits to the mind, body and soul. This is because the three are linked together to form the real you. Meditation can be done many different ways, just find the one that works best for your purposes. Here are 7 tips on how to start your meditation journey. Tip number 1. Commit to a regular practice. Do it first thing each morning. It's easy to say, I'll meditate every day, but then forget to do it. Instead, set a reminder for every morning when you get up, and put a note that says, meditate, somewhere where you'll see it. Tip number 2. Sit or lie comfortably. Find a place to sit that feels calm and quiet to you. You may even want to invest in a meditation chair or cushion. You can meditate inside or outside and can sit on the floor, a cushion, bench, chair, or anything else that works for you. Beginners often find it's easier to use an upright chair as they're familiarizing themselves with the practice. Sitting toward the front of the chair will help with the correct posture, back straight, neck relaxed, chin slightly tucked in. Rest your hands loosely on your lap or knees. Tip number 3. Set a time limit. How long you choose to meditate depends on your preferences, life circumstances, and time available. The important thing is that frequency trumps duration. Start with just 2 minutes a day for a week. If that goes well, increase by another 2 minutes and do that for a week. If all goes well, by increasing just a little at a time, you'll be meditating for 10 minutes a day in the second month, which is amazing. But start small first. Tip number 4. Wear whatever you like. The most important thing is that you are comfortable and relaxed. It's important to wear soft, calming clothing when you meditate. This will make it easier for you to focus on your inner self instead of your appearance. The clothing you wear can set the tone for your meditation as well. Choose colors that support the purpose of your meditation session. If you are meditating in public, be mindful of how your clothing affects the people around you. Tip number 5. Close your eyes. We recommend using cooling eye masks or restorative eye pillows if lying down. Tip number 6. Feel your breath. Make no effort to control the breath, simply breathe naturally, focus your attention on the breath and on how the body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Notice the movement of your body as you breathe. Observe your chest, shoulders, rib cage, and belly. Simply focus your attention on your breath without controlling its pace or intensity. If your mind wanders, return your focus back to your breath. Tip number 7. Be kind to your wandering mind. Inevitably, your attention will leave the breath and wander to other places. When you get around to noticing that your mind has wandered in a few seconds, a minute, 5 minutes, simply return your attention to the breath. Don't judge yourself or obsess over the content of the thoughts you find yourself lost in. Just come back. Meditation is a journey of a lifetime, not a sprint to instant progress. Take it session by session, day by day, appreciating that this is a skill that requires commitment, patience, and practice, where the benefits are felt gradually over time. There is no good or bad meditation, and there is no succeeding or failing, there is only awareness and non-awareness or distraction and non-distraction. Over time, the more the mind learns to become less distracted and the more our awareness stabilizes. Did you like the video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to learn more about self-care, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.